just try to avoid those costly hiring mistakes. If you need a 15-minute consult, I'm always glad to give an opinion. Health Business Periodical reached out to me this morning and said, do you have an opinion on this insurer and the hospitals that they are negotiating with? And I said, Dustin, you can always find an opinion with me. I have an opinion about everything. So I'll be glad to give you a 15-minute consult for any of that. And if you're not a client, I'm glad to talk to you too. If you feel that you have needs that maybe we could meet, we'll be glad to talk to you. But that's not the primary focus of this webinar for getting clients. Primary focus is to help you to make the right decisions on who you hire.